Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nomadic Fishing Adventures. This is the channel where I travel the country and fish in new locations on every episode. Today I am at an Army Corps of Engineer park in Georgia with the information right there. And I talked to some of the locals. They said that right now it's really hot for brim and bass, so that's what I'm going to be going for. I'm going to be using crickets and redworms, and I might be doing some rubber baits for bass. One cool thing about this place is where I'm camping with my RV, I can walk to the water. It's really close. There's a lock and a dam nearby. But there's also, I've noticed a lot of big alligators patrolling out here. I'm not too concerned about it, but it might be kind of cool if I can spot one while I'm fishing. Anyway, I'm gonna get to it and let's see if we can get lucky. Oh, it is a fish. Look at that. I got one. Oh my goodness, that's way bigger than I was expecting. Oh my goodness. The hell is this? Dude, it's a freaking gar. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Not at all what I was expecting to catch. Oh, come on, get off my net. Oh, it's a spotted gar. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Whoa, in the boat. Let's look at this. I caught a gar. It's out here trying to catch brim, and I caught a gar. Oh my goodness. Look at this guy. All right, well guys, this is my first gar I've ever caught. He is a beautiful fish. Yeah, I was using a worm for a little while and had absolutely no luck whatsoever. And then I switched over to a cricket, and in like my second cast, I caught a fish. All right, got the hook out. All right, guys, there he is. First gar on a cricket. Let's let him go. All right, finally, I've been out here for like an hour or more without a single bite, and that was my first fish. So I was going for bream, caught a gar. So let's see what else I can catch out here. All right. Gotta be looking over my shoulder. These alligators are all around me. I don't want one of them getting too up close and personal. All right, guys, there's one of them great big alligators I was talking about right there. He is big. Look at him. Hey, buddy. Oh, he's turning towards me now. Hey, buddy. You're a big, beautiful alligator. Hi. Oh, now he's coming straight towards me. So... Ooh, fish on, guys. Oh, he's a good one. He's actually taking drag. All right. Oh, What do we got here? What is this? A great big old channel cat. Whoa. All right, let's get this net out here. All right, guys. Oh, he's a big one. I got him on this little ultralight. Yes, we caught us a catfish. Oh, he's a big one too. Didn't want to get over here because there's alligators that like to come up on this. But I got me a catfish. Dude, today has been rough. And I say that it has been rough trying to catch fish today. I have been out here for hours and hours. And without much, for the exception of that first fish, not as much as a bite. And then I got this guy. Caught him on a cricket. And a little hook. Little tiny, tiny hook. Check this guy out. Oh yeah. Look at that guy. Oh. Let's see, let's weigh him. Let's see how much he weighs. We're talking 2.8 pounds. All right. One more look at him, guys. Oh, look at that. Now that's a fish there. That's a nice fish. All right, let's let him go. All right. It's funny, I catch that fish. And I got two alligators over here heading my way. So I'm gonna get away from this dock. Let's try that again. Fish on, guys. All right. Let's see what we got here. Oh, he's taking drag. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Oh boy, let's see what we got. He's pretty good sized. Then again, I've got him on an ultralight. Let's see what we got down here. Oh, he's good. He's good. Another catfish. Yep, another catfish. I think that's what he is. Yep. Oh, got another catfish, guys. Let's open this up. Get some line out. This one's not nearly as big, but a fish nonetheless. Seems like I found my golden spot. It only took me about 5 hours to figure this out. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's getting me all wet. Stop it. Stop it. Let's see if we can get this hook out. All right, there he is. All right, see you later, buddy. All right. Boy, when it rains, it pours. All of a sudden, it took me about 5 hours with just one fish, that one gar I caught, and now in the last 10 minutes, I've caught 2 cats, and I have a massive alligator sneaking up on me here. Here, I'll turn the boat a little bit so you guys can see it. See if you can see him. You guys see him behind me here? Yeah. Yeah, there he is, right there. He's been like following me quite a while now. I think he likes me. Fish on. Ooh. Oh, he's pulling drag. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's good. He's big. Oh. I got my drag set kind of loose because I've got smaller line on it, but this is a pretty good. Oh, I lost him. Oh, darn it. Darn it. You can see all that catfish slime on there. Look at that. Ah, darn it. All right, fish on, guys. Oh, he's a jumper. All right, finally, the targeted fish. Finally. Yes, the targeted fish. I finally caught me some brim. All right, he's a good one too. That's a good one. All right, guys, I finally caught what I was trying to catch to begin with. And, oh, he's a good one too. Well, there he is. Nice little fishy. Look at that guy. Nice. Somehow I hooked him through the eye. But that's what I'm looking for, so I'm gonna actually keep this one, I think. All right, now we're catching them. All right, guys, so that's 1 gar, 2 catfish, and a big red belly. So let's see if there's any more in this spot. This is the magic spot. I've been all over this whole half of this section of the lake here without hardly catching anything, and I come to this spot and I'm catching them every cast. So I don't know if it's the time of day, but I found my spot. All right, good stuff. Fish on. Oh, there he is. Oh! All right. Looks like bluegill number 2. There he is. Pretty fish. So that's number 2 of the panfish. All right, well, I came out here to catch these bream, and I got 2 so far. I've been out here for hours. Hopefully I'll catch a few more and have something to eat tonight. Fish on. Oh. Well, he's a big one. Oh, he's a big one. He's ripping. No! Ah, dang it. Darn. Busted my line. Darn it. All right, fish on. Feels pretty good. Yeah, he's a good one. That's a good one. Got another one. This is a nice one. These are pretty too. Oh yeah, he's a big one. He's a fatty. Oh, look at that guy. Look at this guy. Oh yeah, look at that guy. That's a chunk. That is a chunker. All right. Yes, let's get him put away. All right. Well, guys, I think that's going to wrap it up today. I had a great day. I caught my very first gar, some nice catfish, and a whole bunch of fish, and I'm going to fry up tonight. If you guys enjoyed this and you want to join me on some more adventures as I fish in different locations around the country, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and shoot me a comment. Give me some advice. I'm in Georgia right now. I'm only going to be here for a few more days, and then I'm headed up the East Coast. And so if you have some advice for me, or maybe a location that you think I should try out, let me know. Anyway, thanks for joining me, guys, and I'll see you next time.